Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? There's a video that I would like to share with us, and this is about what PM actually said before about the Biafra, broadcasting service, and being that USB government have vowed to follow the template and everything that PM laid, like the template and everything, to make sure that everything is being accomplished according to the plan, according to the wish of PM, so that his effort will not be put sweep under the carpet, which is why some people are very angry. Some are going gaga because they know that USB government are the only group or only government that everybody know. The other ones are just get together. That is the raw truth. They are the one following the template step by step. Everything that PM have wished for, from redeclaring Biafra, Biafra being redeclared, and convention, the cabinet, everything. Some of us have different opinion to that, but like I always tell you, say what you know. Connect one or two things so that you can get the result, what you actually want. It's not about anybody, it's about the reality. So this news, I saw it, I said, okay, we are going to share, but yesterday was kind of busy, so I was not able to bring this for us to see. Before we go in detail, please make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Very, very important that you do so. Give the video a thumbs up. Yes, give the video a thumbs up. You get why. So, my people, we are not going to waste much time on this. We are not going to waste. In fact, we are not even supposed to waste time on that because the news is here with us. So I will try my best to expand it so that you yourself can read it as well. I hope this will be readable. This one, I think it should be readable by now. I have expanded the way it's supposed to be. Now, if you pay close attention here, I think, let me expand. Let me bring it up. Just excuse me. Now, let's manage it this way. Okay, let's manage it this way. No. Yeah, this is okay. I hope it is readable like this. Let me go back. I hope it's readable. Is it okay like this? Are we going to expand it more? Now, just a moment. All right, so I think it's okay now. I think it's okay. Now, this is the PM post. Okay, you can see the date. Okay, you can see the date here. Back then, 2024. Establishment and approval of the Biafra National Broadcasting Corporation Act. Okay, this is I don't know the date, but this should be month. So, but the year is what is important here. That's the BNBC, Biafra National Broadcasting Service, as you can see it here. Okay, PM made this post when? Look at it here, September 28, 2024. September, October, November, which is the month that Biafra was redeclared. So the month plus before Biafra redeclaration. If I just said, 2 months like that, you can see it here. Biafra, in an emergency cabinet meeting of the Biafran government last night, we voted and approved Article 11/24 for the establishment of the Biafran National Broadcasting Corporation, BNBC. The BNBC will then issue operational license to the Biafran official. Okay, this particular post is done by PM himself. And I want you to notice something here. He did not say, hello, Biafrans. IPM is hereby mandating. IPM here is hereby enacting. IPM is hereby enforcing. No, he said we. In an emergency cabinet meeting of the Biafran government last night, we voted and approved. We voted cabinet members, not CRC members. Every time PM, inaugurate any department or establish anything at all, it has to go through cabinet members. Even to establish the website that Azubike ran away with was planned and deliberated by cabinet members, not CRC. At this point, CRC was still inexistent. For you to know how criminal people can be, listen very, very well. CRC was inexistent at this point. This post was made. I'm just being honest. But PM always deliberate issue, organize anything. Before that can become law, they have to go through cabinet members, not CRC. Any of you honestly believe in this CRC, all this nonsense, that you are, don't wait for me to call you a criminal before you know you're a criminal. No. Why must you wait for me to be the one to say it? Can't you see? Are you blind? Are you other blind? Are you actually blind? Look at it here. Cabinet members are the one that sat down and decided to enact this law, because you have to deliberate it with cabinet members. Majority always carry the vote. Why I'm saying this, because I have told us here time with that number that one of the problems that we counter or Biafrans are countering at this point in time is CRC, Mamadabo, Genkere, Azubike, Eggman, Success. These are people that are enforced or established this nonsense going on today. Why am I saying this? When Ogekere refused to honor the call from cabinet members to explain why he said there's no money in the account, whereas there was money in the account, and the screenshot was sent to cabinet members. Remember, cabinet members, the same cabinet of PM. Nobody enforced anything. Nobody removed anything. They are all intact. They gathered together and dissolved CRC. They gathered together and said, since Ogekere refused to honor the call that they have called him many times, he refused to come. That Azubike, please take this account and to put it in a backstage, so that when we have to donate money, we can now know how much and how the money will be spent. Not when somebody confiscate everything put it on his name. Little did they know that as the time that the man refused to come to their meeting, that he himself have already changed the document that they use in registering the government. You see the level of criminality. Today, COS and Biafrans that can read, they're managed to read handwriting on the wall. What do? They say, okay, since your criminality is in your blood, we are not going to force you. We have to do what you're supposed to do. What are those things? By making sure that we allow you, since you want to hijack, okay, hijack it, they now use the account. You remember I told you that they asked Azubike to put this account. The account was here. It's not as if it's a new account, but they have to call this man to put it. The account is being managed by COS then. Okay, this mandate they have been sorted, mandate full account, criminals. As they're saying, remember, all of them, though I'm coming to that because I actually want you to be too short, but the way the whole thing is going on, we may stretch it a little bit, but maybe max 13, 14. Let's see. When this guy refused to put that account to the website, COS created a new account just to avoid this nonsense that they're doing today. And add another account. The one they created is for the homeland, and the one that they're clearing that is a Fulani account, has been existent. That was the account that actually asked the speaker, put this account to the website so that Biafran can know what is going on. This is okay. They want to, to have internal problem now. At this point in time, that Biafra have been redeclared. None of them opposed this redeclaration in presence of PMO. They did not oppose it when PMO was here. They pretended that let's go. Finland, here we come. After declaring everything, they now say, okay, now CRC can solve problem. Okay, they are now, let us replace them with cabinet. Replace them with a different, House of Assembly or anything, lawmakers. And replace them with, let them become non-judiciary system. Let them become like Nigeria have a electoral body, okay, and which is supposed like the INEC of Nigeria and all that. That is what criminals do: cut and join, manipulation, lying, creating fake documents here and there. COS calmed down and was following everything, squarely, step by step. So today, based on the plan PM had, based on the plan, that Biafran cabinet have gathered together and made it clear that they're going to establish this Biafran radio, broadcasting service, broadcasting corporation, which is called BNBC, as you can see on your screen. CS furthered it now. On 28th of this month, July 2025, she made this post. That was yesterday, though. Today is 29. She said, breaking, I told you all. CS as American English. Yo. I know. Anyway, let's continue. I'm just telling. USB radio launch all over the world. Frequencies across the globe. Biafrans, be ready to tune in. We made it. Saturday, August 2nd, 2025, 4 p.m. Biafran time. Stay tuned for more information. You know why? I can't tell you, what is your madam? Since they declared Biafra, what did your madam do? Oh, one day my 50 PM got before PM gain grand again after the US. Was tearing everything apart. And remember, the battle that PM faced with the US is very, very rough, very, very brutal. I'm not talking about a power fire fight or battle, no. I'm talking about sabotage. PM was trying to redeem. They were busy trying to destroy. PM was not have never been in the midst to know how they behave and how they react. That's why his own is quite, very, very brutal and dangerous, because you don't even know who is next to you. COS facing this battle again is another very, very, very brutal and deadly, confrontation, because this happen to be people who know you in and out. Both of you have been in cabinet, you know how they relate, what they can do and all that. Honestly, I don't even know which of the. I cannot pick one that is more dangerous or more difficult to fight between these two, because these are internal issues. And she maintained ground. I remember when the whole thing was going gaga, when they started talking about her, calling her this. I said here on my platform, because that's something that I can control. There's something I can bear. I made it one. I made it in one. I said in one of my videos, which Biafrans was not happy with that my comment. I said that if I'm in her position, that I will just wash my hand and leave them to test it, because the insult was so much on a lady. Do you understand? So I can feel, I can relate. Some of you don't understand why I said that. It's not that I'm not saying that we let their friends go and face the battle and ignore them and for them to buy for nothing. No. But out of anger, because you see a grown-up man, a man that has children, like you have children already, you're a family man, you know what it means to insult somebody like that. You know what it means to claim that somebody is what he or she is not. You know how the painful. You know how painful that thing is. You know what it means. Yet you keep on doing it every now and then. Anyway, I promise that I'm not gonna make this to be too long. All right. This is my own way of reporting this to you, and please keep your eyes on that, because August 2nd, 2025, 4 p.m. Biafran time. Let us keep our eyes on that, and of course, pray that the plan and everything will be successful. This is a way, because I am one of those that keep on saying that Biafran government need to have, their own official platforms to broadcast. I've said it here many times, and if this is the first step is okay, and hopefully the Minister of Information Department, Secretary of Information, and their crew members and everything, that they are ready to do the needful on this one. Very, 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 very nice, because information, they said, it's power. About one can manipulate, about liars and all that. I'm talking about information, the power in every sense of it. All right. So let us, like I said, keep our eyes on that and hope that things will turn around to the betterment of everyone, hopefully any moment from now. So thank you so much for your time. God bless you, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it to many platforms of your choice. And let me quickly remind you that we will be coming live, around it should be maybe 1 to 2 p.m. different time. Okay, it's not going to be up to 3 p.m. Hopefully, maybe we can stretch it late, because I have appointment. But just keep your eyes on that. Whenever we come live, please join us. All right, and like the video. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye for now.